So I want you to imagine making more than $400 in a single week by doing something that you love. You're just going to get this money just by chatting and talking to people. I guarantee you, you're just going to get this money. Hey friends, welcome to the channel. I'm really happy talking to you right now, and today we are going to discuss this topic that has potential to change the way you're thinking about earning money online. I think this is a very easiest way for you to start making money this year 2023, and I believe that anybody around the world can do this. It doesn't matter where you are, you can start making money through this method that I'm going to show you in this video. It's very easy and very simple, and many people are doing this and they're getting decent amount of money just by doing this. So I hope you're going to try this and you are just going to make money. Just imagine making money doing something that you love. Today we are going to see how can you get paid just by chatting and talking to people all around the world. So let's see how can you do this and how can you make more than $500 just by doing this very simple task. And I know you've been watching different videos about getting money just by chatting, but this one is different because I'm going to show you how people are getting paid in a very easiest way, so you can do this too and start making money this year. So stay with me and let's see how are we going to do this together. So many people out there, they go through hard times, stress about life, stress about relationships, stress about work, and stress about family. So the only thing that they need to do, they want to find somebody who they can feel free to talk to. They need to explain everything that is going on in their life to this person who can be found on the internet, and this person, it can be you. So what can you do that to make sure that you provide a good service to these people? Because I've seen a lot of people who they find a little uncomfortable talking to their closest friend or closest family members about the thing that is going on in their life. So they later go ahead and find any stranger who they can get help from. So this is what they do. They go to this website which is called Fiverr, and this website is helping them to connect with different people that they can get help from. And this is what I want you to do. I want you to go ahead and join to this website which is called Fiverr. This website is giving you an opportunity to meet different people who you can help, who you can provide any service to them, like talking, chatting, and then getting paid. This is a very easiest way for you to get paid. I'm going to show you how people are getting paid just by helping people who they need to talk to, who they need somebody who they can feel free to talk to, and they get a lot of money. You can earn up to $500 or $400 just by doing so in a very short time. So let's see how this works. First of all, you need to go ahead and join to this website which is called Fiverr.com. After joining to this website, I'm going to show you this example of this lady who is from South Africa. Her name is Andronica. She's charging $25 for basic services like getting to know her clients and their needs, $30 per 1 hour. So this is what Andronica does. She makes more than $30 per 1 hour just talking to client, and she makes more than $25 just to get to know each other. You can see how easy is it for you to start making money just by talking to people, and you really don't need to have a professional skills doing this. And right on top of their profile, you can see the number of their clients that they already have worked with. So you can see it's very easy to find so many clients on this platform because many people, they need somebody to talk to. So it's really easy for you to go ahead and start providing these services to different people who are waiting for you to help them. So I'm going to tell you what exactly do you have to do to ensure that you're getting decent amount of money just by talking to people or chatting to people from different places. And this is the best trick and best hack for you to make a decent amount of money. You have to do the followings. I've seen a lot of people doing this, but they're actually not making a lot of money because they lack something. So I'm going to show you what exactly can you do to make sure that you become a successful user on this platform. In order for you to become a successful user of this platform, you need to understand the followings. The amount of money that you're going to choose is very important. How much are you actually going to charge these clients? It's very important for you to understand that you have to choose the right price. You don't have to choose high price, but at the same time, you really don't have to choose a low price. You at least have to charge starting $15 up to $50. You have to charge that amount of money because when you are charging people a lot of money, it will be really not easy for them to come to you, because they're afraid like you're going to charge them a lot of money. So it's better for you to charge a minimum amount of money, and this will determine how many clients you're going to receive every single day or every single week. The other thing, for you to become successful user and for you to attract like a lot of clients, you need to pick a good profile picture. I've seen a lot of people on this platform, they're not choosing a light pictures for them, and this is really not good, because a lot of clients, they're really not going to pick anybody to talk to. They need to pick somebody who they feel safe to talk to, who they feel comfortable to talk to. So it's better for you to choose the nice and good looking profile picture for them to come to you and start talking to you. And this is like the very good thing for you to start doing right now. You have to make sure that the picture that you are putting on your profile picture, it has to look more professional. It has to look more good for them to feel more comfortable talking to you. So right after choosing the right picture, the right price, you have to be friendly with your audience. You have to be friendly with your clients. It's very important for them to feel safe talking to you. So you have to build a very friendly environment for you to talk to him, for you to talk to her. You have to understand what she feels, what he feels, and you have to provide good information that can make him or that can make her very comfortable, and this will help them to keep coming back to you whenever they feel lost, whenever they feel like they need to talk to somebody. It will make them more easier for them to come back to you, and you can start having a conversation over and over again. So this is very important for you to understand, that you need to build a friendship between you and your clients. You need to be more supportive to your clients, and I think this is very important part, because whenever your client is facing like hard time, and the only thing that they have to think in their mind, they have to think that if I feel low, if I feel uncomfortable, if I'm facing hard time, I have to go to my coach, and that coach is you. You really have to be supportive for them to think about you like all the time. Whenever they feel uncomfortable, whenever they feel like talking to somebody, you have to be there for them. You have to understand that you're going to talk with different people from different places around the world, and you are going to talk a lot of things. So everything that you guys are going to talk, it has to be secret between you and your client. And the more you provide good services and value to your clients, it's more likely for you to get like a lot of customers and for you to get a lot of money. I've seen a lot of people, they're making substantial amount of money. They can make up to $1,000 in a month. It just depends, how much do you charge, how many customers are you providing services to every single month or every single week. When you provide good services, it will be more easy for these clients to remember about you every time they're feeling low, every time they don't have anybody to talk to. They will just remember you, and they will keep coming back to you, and you will keep working with them over and over again. So why not give it a try and see how much you're just going to make just by talking and chatting to different people around the world. Let's try this and see how much we're actually going to make. So I thank you so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much.